If you've chosen to formula feed your baby, here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare formula safely. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Clean and sterilise all bottle parts, ensuring your work surface is clean too. Boil 1 litre of fresh tap water and let it cool down for no more than 30 minutes. The water should be a minimum temperature of 70 degrees. This is hot enough to kill any harmful bacteria in the powdered formula. Measure the correct amount of water for your baby's feed using the scale on the bottle. Always follow the instructions on the formula packaging for the exact ratio of water to powder. Add the formula powder to the water. Use the scoop provided with the formula and make sure you level it off with the back of a clean knife. Close the bottle tightly and mix well until the formula is fully dissolved. Allow the milk to cool to a safe drinking temperature for your baby. You can check the temperature by placing a few drops on the inside of your wrist. It should be lukewarm, not hot. Feed your baby as soon as possible. Always discard any unused formula and make a fresh bottle for every feed. Remember, always follow the instructions on the formula packaging, as guidelines can vary depending on the brand. Reach out to your midwife or health visitor if you need further support.